Inter. I mean, so unpredictable, right? I mean, they can beat AC Milan, they can beat Napoli, but then they can also pick up a draw in a game like this. 25 shots on goal, but no goals scored against Sampdoria. It's finished nil-nil, and it's a draw that will be very, very disappointing because they had a chance to go a little bit clear of the chasing pack in the top four contenders list. Because right now it's so packed. It's only 5 points between Lazio in sixth and Inter in second. Could have been seven, and would have given them a bit of breathing space on Atlanta, Roma, Milan as well. But as it is, it's just 3 points that separates them from those three. So it'll be disappointing result for Inzaghi. It'll be disappointing result for Inter, especially with the Champions League knockout stages now beginning. They really want to have that momentum going their way. Can't afford slip ups like this, but hopefully they can pick up and maybe recover the form in the next game. So we'll see what happens. Let me know your thoughts on the game, of course. Thank you for watching.